Okay, this is a quick tutorial for scanning and signature capture on a mobile device for your pharmaceutical deliveries. When you first turn the unit on, you're going to be presented with this screen, and you'll want to click the XMobile icon. XMobile is the software that we use to communicate with the pharmaceutical companies. So it's going to go ahead and load, and it'll do a couple tests on the connection and make sure it's working good. Once it's hitting the server, you'll see a green TX there. It means everything's good. So we'll go ahead and go to the home screen / main menu. So on the main menu you got several options, but you're just going to be basically dealing with route manifest. So you want to go ahead and click that, and then click menu, get new route. And what you're going to be doing at this screen is just verifying that the date's correct. So we'll go ahead and click done. It's going to go out and get the routes available for today. So we'll go ahead and click done. It's going to connect to the server and pull those down. And what you'll be presented with then is your load stop and whatever deliveries you have after that. The load stop basically is all the totes going into your truck. So you're going to scan all those in and then go ahead and verify with a signature that they're in your truck. So we'll go ahead and click load stop. It's going to just show you with a screen with some info on it. Click next. And these three choices on this screen show up on every route stop that you have. For pharmaceuticals, you got P.O.D, parcels, and add signature. We're going to use the parcels and do our scanning. So it'll pop up the barcodes that you'll be scanning with some empty check boxes. As I scan those in, those check boxes will fill in with a check on them. And looks like everything's scanned in there. It does let you know with a high-pitched beep that it's a correct scan. If you happen to scan something twice, it'll have a little lower pitch, and that lets you know that basically you've already scanned it in. So you can actually, if you think you forgot something, you can just scan those totes again. If you scan a tote that's not on your route, it will give a different signal and actually pop up a little the barcode you scanned with a red X through it saying it's not on your route. But this looks okay. You got 4 parcels, so we'll go ahead and click menu and done. Then we'll click OK. This is just a summary screen, checking to make sure there was no over short exceptions. You just want everything to be zeros there. We'll click OK. Pops us back to our options screen here. So next thing we'll want them to do is sign our mobile device, so we click add signature. Well, actually you're going to be signing it since you're putting this on your truck, so click add signature, and I'll go ahead and sign my name on the device. And by doing this, I'll go ahead and click save after that. I'm just saying that I'm verifying all the pieces are on the truck that I scanned in. Hit next. Then on this P.O.D comment box, you'll see this box. If you start typing in, you'll see nothing comes up. You have to actually click in the box to prompt where you can type in. So now I can go ahead and type in my name. I'll click menu and OK. You can see it filled that box. And we'll go ahead and click next. And that load stop is dropped off on manifest. You got a little yellow triangle here. That means it's transmitting the data. So everything looks good there. And we'll go ahead and deliver the next one, the Kroger Pharmacy. Click that. Gives you some info on it. There's the route number and stop number. We'll click next. And then here's our 3 options. We'll click parcels so we can scan them in. Those scanned in, click menu, done. Everything looks good on our summary screen. Hit OK. We'll click add signature and we'll hand the person signing for him the mobile device. We'll give it back to us. We'll click save. Then we'll want to type in the name that they signed, just in case it's illegible. So if you couldn't read it before, just ask them how to spell it. So all good. Go ahead and remember we cannot type in this box, so we have to click in the box and now we can type. And we'll put in Mary Ox, O-X. Click menu, OK. You can see it populated that box. We'll click next, and that delivery is off the screen. We got transmission going on, so we'll go ahead and click Walgreens. It's 351, stop 170. We'll go ahead and click next. We got to click again parcels and scan it in. Get a good scan, click menu, done. Everything looks good on the summary. Click OK. We're going to have them sign it, so we click add signature and hand them the device so they can sign. And they'll hand us the device back and we'll click save. And then we have to put in the signature, type it in of what they signed actually. So we'll click P.O.D, click next, and then once again we got the P.O.D or comment we cannot type in there. So we'll have to click the box and type in what they signed. Click menu, click OK, and then once we click next, our screen should be clear. And it is, and it's transmitting. And once you're done with your route, you should have a clear screen on your device. If you don't, something didn't go right with one of your deliveries and you'll need to call dispatch and find out what the problem was. They'll be able to tell if they received the info on their screen. And that about sums up this quick tutorial. Thank you.